Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, and it revolutionized the financial world. It changed how we think about money, making digital transactions more accessible. But Bitcoin has limitations, such as slow transaction speeds and high fees. Altcoins, or alternative cryptocurrencies, aim to solve these problems by offering unique solutions and improvements. They offer new features and benefits. Litecoin, for example, processes transactions faster than Bitcoin, making it more efficient for everyday use. Dash is another altcoin. It focuses on privacy and instant transactions, providing users with more security and speed. Since the creation of Namecoin, the first altcoin, the market has exploded with innovation. Altcoins are gaining popularity rapidly. They are taking market share from Bitcoin, offering diverse options for investors and users. In 2021, Bitcoin's dominance fell from 70% to 48%, highlighting the rise of altcoins. This shift shows the growing interest in altcoins and their potential to reshape the financial landscape. Altcoins are used in many ways. They power decentralized applications, support new technologies, and offer innovative solutions. They are changing how we interact online, making the digital world more interconnected and efficient. Bitcoin's high price can be a barrier. Altcoins offer a more affordable entry point. This is especially attractive to new investors. They can start with smaller amounts. Altcoins have the potential for high returns. Their lower market capitalization allows for greater growth. Investors can see significant gains, especially during market upswings. Bitcoin's price can be stagnant. This frustrates investors looking for quick profits. Altcoins are more volatile. They offer opportunities for short-term gains. Altcoins are also addressing Bitcoin's limitations. Ethereum 2.0 is a good example. It improves scalability and sustainability. This makes it attractive to long-term investors. There are two main ways to make money with altcoins. These methods cater to different types of investors, each with their own risk tolerance and time commitment. Day trading is one strategy. It involves buying and selling altcoins within a single day. Traders buy and sell quickly, often within minutes or hours. They profit from daily price swings, taking advantage of market volatility. This strategy requires close attention to the market, constant monitoring, and quick decision-making. Long-term investing is another approach. It is more suited for those who prefer a hands-off strategy. Investors hold altcoins for months or even years, waiting for their value to increase significantly. They believe in the long-term potential of their chosen coins, trusting that the market will grow over time. Day trading can be profitable. However, it is risky. The market is volatile. Losses can happen quickly. It requires a lot of time and emotional resilience. Long-term investing is less risky. It requires patience and a strong belief in the future of the market. Investors need to research and choose their coins carefully, considering factors like technology, team, and market potential. Both strategies have their pros and cons. Day trading offers quick returns, while long-term investing provides stability. The best approach depends on the individual investor. One must assess their own risk tolerance and time availability. Risk tolerance and investment goals are important factors to consider. Choose the strategy that aligns with your financial objectives and lifestyle. Dogecoin is a unique altcoin that has captured the imagination of many. It started as a joke, a playful take on the booming cryptocurrency market. But it gained popularity quickly. Celebrities endorsed it, adding to its allure and mystique. It became a tipping currency on Reddit, where users would reward each other for good content. Dogecoin is volatile, but it still offers investment opportunities for those willing to take the risk. You can buy Dogecoin on various platforms, making it accessible to many. Coinbase is a popular choice for US citizens. Sex.io is another option for those looking for alternatives. It caters to non-US citizens as well, making Dogecoin a global phenomenon. Buying Dogecoin is easy. You create an account, verify your identity, and fund your account with money. Then, you can buy Dogecoin and other altcoins. Altcoins offer exciting possibilities for the future. They are changing the financial landscape, bringing new opportunities and challenges. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting, altcoins are worth exploring for their potential. Remember to do your research and invest responsibly, as the market can be unpredictable.